Okay. Water equivalent means, say, if the water equivalent is, say, W, if water equivalent is X, suppose water equivalent is equal to X gram, that implies the heat capacity is equal to X calorie per degree Celsius. Okay, numerically it is equal to the heat capacity. So here a piece of iron of mass 100 gram, a piece of iron of mass 100 gram is kept inside a furnace for a long time and put into a calorimeter of water equivalent 10 gram. That means the heat capacity of the calorimeter, that is M times S of the calorimeter, but calorimeter means vessel. MS of the calorimeter is equal to uh, uh, water equivalent means it is the equivalent amount of water which has to be heated by the same temperature, requires the same amount of heat. That's it. কোথায় 240 গ্রাম? না, calorimeter of water equivalent, calorimeter of water equivalent 10 gram means calorimeter of heat capacity. Calorimeter has heat capacity. Heat capacity one means what? So M into S, na? Mass into specific heat, that is 10 calorie per degree Celsius. আচ্ছা, এবার now water, হ্যাঁ বলছি, না ওরকম না, বলছি আমি, contains 240 gram of water at 20 degree Celsius, ঠিক আছে? আচ্ছা, that means water has specific heat how much? Specific heat of water is what? 1 calorie per gram per degree Celsius. Okay, so what is M into S of water? Mass into specific heat for water is equal to 240 calorie per degree Celsius, na? Okay, now a mixture attains an equivalent mixture attains an equilibrium temperature of 60. Find the temperature of the furnace, specific heat of iron. Let the temperature of the furnace be T. Okay, so let T degree Celsius be temperature of furnace. Okay, now final temperature happens what? 60. That means heat lost by iron, heat lost by this iron is equal to heat gained by uh, this thing, na? Heat gained by what? Calorimeter plus water. Okay, heat gained by calorimeter plus water. Okay, now it's in calorie, na? So you multiply 4.2, so 10 times 4.2 what? Joule per degree Celsius, and that's also done. 240 into 4.2 joule per degree Celsius. Okay. So now what is his heat lost by iron? Mass of iron 100 by 1000 in kg, mass into specific heat 470 into what is change in temperature? T minus 60 or 60 minus T? Obviously T minus 60. iron temperature decreases. Acha. Uh, is equal to heat gained by calorimeter. So now 10 into 4.2 for the calorimeter. Heat capacity times change in temperature. What is change in temperature? 60 minus 20. And same for the water also. 240 times 4.2 into 60 minus 20. Now calculate. Now calculate. What is T equal to? T is equal to 60 plus how much? Uh, so 1 by 47 times what? 10 into 4.2, that is 42 into 40 plus plus how much? 24 into 42 into 20. Let us, you can calculate. Acha. So 953 degrees Celsius, right? So this comes out to be T, temperature of the furnace. Oh, so I have mistakenly written 20. Should be 40. This should be 40. 60 minus 20, 40. So then it will be 953 degrees Celsius.